Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to get Roblox Plus. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Roblox Plus is Roblox's current subscription service. It formally replaced Roblox Premium. Launched on April 30, it provides players with exclusive platform benefits including discounts on purchase, free private server, and free Robux transfer. It replaced Roblox Premium as the primary subscription option for new users. So, on my previous video, I've shown you how to subscribe to Roblox Premium, how to cancel your subscription or Roblox Plus, and also Roblox Premium. But now, what if you want to resubscribe? You want to get the Roblox Premium on your Roblox account? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Roblox. From here, you can go to here on the up left corner, three lines over here. You can scroll down, you'll find there is an option Roblox Plus. You can just select on that. So you can get Roblox Plus in here. You can select on manage. So because we have cancel your Roblox, now we can go back. You can go to your Roblox icon in here. Roblox icon, sorry. You can just scroll down. You can find Roblox Plus. Okay, you can go to Roblox Plus and you can subscribe in here. It's because I just canceled my Roblox Plus, so I can just wait until it finish my Roblox Plus. But I will show you on my other's account. If you want to subscribe to Roblox Plus, so you can go in here, select on Roblox Plus. Now you can just subscribe. So here's the deal. If you want to subscribe, here's all the benefits. You will get discount, 10% off in-game item, avatars, and more. 20% of this item after 2 months. Free and unlimited private server. Send Robux for free, thread and resell limited item, and publish gem and avatar item. You can just subscribe it and you can choose which plan that you want to get from Roblox. It's very simple, right? So that is how to get Roblox Plus on your Roblox account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.